How to limit the maximum value of a numeric field in a Django model. Django has various numeric fields available for use in models, for example decimal field and positive integer field. Although the former can be restricted to the number of decimal places stored and the overall number of characters stored, is there any way to restrict it to storing only numbers within a certain range, for example 0.0 to 5.0? Failing that, is there any way to restrict the positive integer field to only store, for instance, numbers up to 50? Update: now that bug 6845 has been closed, this Stack Overflow question may be moot. Sample block Cooper.
You could also create a custom model field type, see this URL. In this case, you could inherit from the built-in integer field and override its validation logic. The more I think about this, I realize how useful this would be for many Django apps. Perhaps an integer range field type could be submitted as a patch for the Django devs to consider adding to trunk. This is working for me. Then in your model class, you would use it like this, field being the module where you put the above code. Or for a range of negative and positive, like an oscillator range. What would be really cool is if it could be called with a range operator like this. But that would require a lot more code since you can specify a skip parameter, range 1, 50, 2. Interesting idea though.
You can use Django's built-in validators. Edit: when working directly with the model, make sure to call the model full_claim method before saving the model in order to trigger the validators. This is not required when using model forms since the forms will do that automatically.
I had this very same problem. Here was my solution.
Please consider topic